Well, guys, Miles is out of town, but I got something to surprise him. A truck full of mowers. He is gonna love this. And the best part about it is I bought not 3 mowers, but 14 of them. 14 riding mowers. The stuff you find on Marketplace, huh? He's gonna be so happy with me. Let's see if we can get one running. One of 3. See if she starts, put fuel in it. This cable was broken, so we just zip tied that open. And we'll see if she goes. Unbelievable what some people throw away, huh? Let's toss her in.
This will do the job. It's blue.
It's 2-stroke. Oh, that spark, that's on. Well, there's no key, but that's on. Throw that back in. This bad boy will probably fire right up too. More prime.
The fucking mower's back.
She wants it. Gonna warm up a bit.
Dude, it wants it.
Runs like a champ.
Oh my God.
She's coming. It's cusping.
Dude, it's on the hitch. Oh, I thought it was on the hitch.
There you go. Well, the odds it has oil in it. I don't know. It's got oil.
Jesus.
That's good.
That's the most. This
Get some
thing's
air in the tires.
mint.
How about this thing? I'll start up within 5 minutes.
Does that have a battery?
I'll steal the one from the Ranger. It's not bolted down.
Oh, good. Dude.
Not too much in.
Completely different. It's a hybrid.
Here we go. Nice backfire.
Fired up.
It's a little fucking hot.
It's a little
Why?
warm.
Gosh darn it, not another one.
Dude, why do we keep going through mowers?
Yeah, dude, it just doesn't make any sense.
I don't know.
Oh, it threw oil over here. Team PCV, this is shooting oil out. Fire it up, I'll man the throttle. That's just wide open throttle right there. It should fire up pretty good.
Personally, I'm standing back for this one.
But also, I'm a OG of this place, so there's got a little going on.
Oh, it's gonna be real warm now. No way. Throttle. Come on. Oh, that's gonna be a hard one to get unlocked, dude.
Leave it to old Dr. Trace.
Got it.
One little tough spot. That's all it is, dude.
That was a full turn.
And that's all oil.
Try it.
They did an oil change.
Ah, dude.
Oil back in it.
Where's that problem
They
spot?
put
There it is,
oil
dude.
back into it to try and get her That's what they did.
Oh, dude.
Man.
Spot in there still.
Yeah.
Find that spot and just work it.
Nothing's kosher in that bitch.
Oh, dude.
She's so close.
Dude.
So close.
Alright, gonna burn out the jumper. Dude. Oh my god.
Oh, wants to go.
Dude. No way! Gosh. Let's go! Come on! Oh yeah! Oh!
Oh, come on.
No! Oh!
Let's
Dude.
fire her back up.
Running so strong. Oh! Dude! Where did that go? Dude, there is a piston head somewhere in the yard.
The starter came off.
Oh, oh my god.
Now you're stuck.
You might actually be stuck now.
No, you're gonna rip off your fucking. What happened? I think there might have been something back there.
Well,
Fucking
oh, there's water, black water out of the engine.
What the freak? dude?
What's going on there? No, it's dialed, dude. That's fine. Make it where? You're not going off of this. Is it working?
I just need. I'm almost there.
Oh yeah?
Oh, it is dialed.
Yeah. Dude, absolutely dialed.
I hit something.
It doesn't look like it. We're good. Oh,
I'm so impressed with that halfway right.
Riley, we're probably in a. No, wait, hold on. It would have kicked it to main screen. We're good.
What?
Dude, we're playing Rocket League right now.
This tire got DV'd. So
Dang it.
Blew the good tire.
And it got filled with dirt. Well,
And the
there's
black
that
water is-
mower. Black water, dude. I hate that stuff. That's his idea.
Just like that.
I mean, you kind of moved it a little bit, really. I guess, yeah, you're getting there a little bit. Yeah, we're back to square one, but you're kind of parked though.
That's what I was afraid of happening.
Oh no, well it happened. Also, you're still in drive, so your wheels are spinning.
Those ones or those ones?
Those ones. Why would your front ones be spare? Oh man. What a way to wrap it up. All right. Wrap it up.